All right, let's do this. What's up? It's Sensei from ridefitnation. Welcome to the channel. So today we are connecting a hitch extender. Try to say that twice. A hitch extender. There we go. On my 2024 Honda Goldwing, being that y'all want to tell me it's not Goldwing, it's Goldwing, so I'm going to pronounce the D. Hell no, Goldwing. And the hitch extender is said to allow the trailer to track way better, much better control. It avoids a lot of sway. When the hitch arm is too short, it will sway a bit more. So we just took off everything. Now, on the hitch extender, it's not hard to install. It's pretty easy. So let's sit back and watch. I'll come back in every now and then and yeah, but I want you to listen to the sound of the tools. Let's go. Now, believe it or not, that ratchet system, I have two of them. I have one that's rigid, but I bought that one from Temu. Okay, believe it, you don't got to spend a whole lot of money on tools. I bought that from Temu, and I travel with that in my bike. I was lucky enough to have a longer cord, but you might have to get an extended cord if you don't have enough cord length on your trailer. Now notice how that slid in like butter. Later on, not so easy. You see what I mean. So keep that in mind. Take note. Now this is slot right there. It's 4 bolts that came with this. I'm gonna use my drill and open up that little hole right there so I could put the 4th bolt, just so you can keep track of that. There's a little blocking right there. It doesn't go all the way through. So keep that in mind. Drill a hole. I didn't do it in the video, but you see that little slot right in the middle? I'm gonna drill an extra hole and put that bolt through that. For some reason, it came blocked off, but I like extra security. Okay, I'm showing you right there, that little groove. Notice that groove. That is where you're gonna run your wire right there. It's made just to make sure that wire can go in effortlessly. Look at that. Bam. Ooh, sweet. Now this is where it's not gonna go in like butter. This part right here, no butter. I'm showing you, look at this. It does not line up. The wire knocks that off track a bit. So I'm using a step bit. At first I use a thicker step bit, but I should have used a skinnier one, which I will eventually in this video. But you can just use a regular drill bit all of the day, metal bit, and drill right through that bad boy, okay? Just drill right through it. It's gonna go with no problem. Now right here, I'm doing both sides, but the thing about a drill bit, it doesn't go enough. So right there, if you notice, that's a skinnier drill bit, and I'm being mindful of the cable so I don't cut that cable by mistake. I'm using my mallet to mash that thing in there because I didn't want to drill anymore. I was like, it's gonna fit, and it did. Hey, I figured if I have a Honda Goldwing, I'm going to have to do what I need to do with it, baby. I'm smashing that thing for real. All right, that metal shaving on the floor, make sure you always, when you drill, sweep that thing up, because if you step on it, it's gonna go all in your freaking feet and you're gonna be crying like a baby. Sweep it up. All right, let's assemble this thing. Remember, the left side goes to the right side on the chain, and the right side goes to the left side. You want to cross. In case the trailer loses attachment, you have a better option to keep it straight and to make sure it's still attached properly. I like that look. Now, what I will tell you, I tried to reverse the trailer and it operates way better when you're reversing. It's not like backing up a regular trailer with a truck though. It's a little bit more sensitive. It's a little bit more sensitive. Let's check these lights.
Left indication operational. Right indication operational. Hazard lights operational. Brake lights operational. You passed.
All right, there you have it. Pretty simple install. The longer bar will give you more control on your trailer and you get way more comfort. And I have room if I want to put a rack on top of this. I could put a rack on top of here if I choose to, right? But this extension, amazing. Now I'm gonna ride with it throughout the week and see how I feel with this extra attachment, all right? So let's get it, we out.